The Beatles and the Rolling Stones have long been regarded as two of the most influential bands of the 1960s. Although their legacies often intersect, their admiration for each other did not extend to every aspect of their work. Mick Jagger, the lead singer of the Rolling Stones, acknowledged the Beatles' significant impact on music, though he was less impressed by their live performance abilities. In a 1995 interview with Rolling Stone, Jagger was asked if he believed the Beatles deserved their reputation as the greatest band of all time. He expressed that while they certainly had an enormous influence, he didn't consider them a great live band. He mentioned that perhaps they were good in their early club days at the Cavern, but their live performances in the modern era were not remarkable. However, Jagger recognized the immense cultural and musical contribution of the Beatles. He rhetorically questioned their fantastic reputation, but emphasized their groundbreaking role, stating that their emergence was transformative for the music industry and all British bands that followed, including the Rolling Stones. Jagger also admitted that the Beatles' debut single, Love Me Do, had a bluesy sound that closely resembled the Rolling Stones' style, which initially caused him some discomfort, as the Stones were supposed to represent the R&B genre. Despite any rivalry, Jagger credited John Lennon and Paul McCartney for helping the Rolling Stones early in their career, noting that the Beatles had given them one of their early hits, I Wanna Be Your Man. Reflecting on the Beatles' 1988 induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Jagger recalled the pre-Beatles era of British pop music as embarrassing, acknowledging the Beatles' pioneering contributions to songwriting and their role in changing the music landscape. Jagger's most heartfelt comments were about John Lennon, whose death deeply saddened him. He expressed the personal loss of someone he had loved very much,